birthday, Ninang Jackie, Ninang Raymond.
Happy birthday to both of you.
See you soon.
Happy birthday, Ate Jake and Kuya Raymond. See you soon.
Happy birthday. Happy
50th birthday, Raymond and Jake.
Bro, nag-iisa lang ako dito.
Enjoy your celebration. Cheers!
Hi Mare, Pare. Advance happy birthday. Sana pagkalooban pa kayo ng mahabang buhay at maayos na pangangatawan sa darating na taon na to at sa susunod na taon pa na darating. And enjoy your vacation with Sam there. Enjoy lang.
Marikoy, Parikoy, advance happy birthday sa inyong dalawa. 50th yan. Malapit na kayo maging miyembro ng Bing Organization. Alam nyo na yon. Siguro, mga ilang buwan na lang. Hintayin namin yung pagbabalik nyo rito. Siyempre, magsisession na tayo. Daya nyo. Kaya pala kayo nag-iipon ng pambingo. Parating nanalo kayo. May pambakasyon kayo. But anyway, enjoy nyo yung vacation nyo dyan. At sana'y maging malusog kayo sa araw-araw at sa mga darating pang mga birthday nyo ay ganun din. Hintayin na rin namin yung pagbabalik nyo. And Parigoy, nako, miss na rin kita kahit paano, di ba? Magsing panahon na kahit na wala ka pa, hintayin ko na yung pagbabalik mo. Pwede ba mag-Airbnb minsan sa bahay nyo? Kahit isang gabi lang. Salamat, Parigoy. Happy birthday sa inyong dalawa. Advance 50th pala. Bye!
Bye!
Happy birthday, Raymond and Jake. See you. Happy 50.
Happy birthday, Raymond and Jake.
Happy birthday, Mare, Pare. We wish you the very best and stay in good health and more blessings to come. And kita-kits tayo soon.
God bless you both.
Happy birthday ulit.
Happy golden birthday, Tita Jake and Tita Raymond.
We wish you good health and wealth.
And we miss you too very much. Happy golden birthday again.
Happy 50th birthday, Yet and Jake. And sabi nga, welcome to the Golden Club. Okay mag-alala dahil pinagdaanan ko na yan. Magsisimula yan sa arthritis, blood sugar, yung cholesterol, yung diabetes at kung ano pa. Anyways, kidding aside, I'm so happy to see you both growing together. Enjoy your special day and cheers to more blessings. See you in New Zealand.
Happy birthday, Raymond. Happy birthday, Jake. Pre, hindi mo makikilala kasi naka-disguise ako. Happy birthday nga pala sa inyo ni Jake. Happy 50th birthday. It's a milestone. Reaching this age, it's really a blessing to both of you. I wish you all the best in life. I wish you happiness, success, and good health. And of course, it's been wonderful na na-invite ako through his parang vlog. Hirap pala mag-vlog, no? Pero anyway, I'm really thankful kay Camille para invite ako dito para lang mag-share ng happy birthday greetings sa inyong dalawa. It's been a privilege and an honor na maging friends tayo all throughout the years. Kahit na magkalayo na tayo ng bansa, pero still, you know, the moment na dumating kayo nagsama tayo sa INZID, yun, very thankful ako sa mga wonderful experiences natin. Anyway, I won't take this too long, but again, happy birthday sa inyong dalawa. I wish you all the best in life and God bless to both of you. Ciao, kia ora, bye!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Kuya Raymond and Ate Jackie!
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy 50th birthday, Lolo Raymonds and Lola Jackie.
Happy birthday, Jackie and Raymond.
Happy birthday! Say happy birthday, Bella.
Happy birthday, Jacqueline! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you!
We love you, Jackie and Raymond.
Happy birthday, ate! Happy birthday kay Raymond! 50 years.